latest and greatest with Shiba Inu. We're going to talk about this and cover everything that's kind of going on with SHIB, but also talk about the overall kind of macro factors, if you will, outside of Shiba Inu, kind of the larger crypto scenarios going on and their impact of Shiba Inu in this video. So just kind of give you an overall update. So right now, crypto is definitely down. I called this yesterday and been talking about this in videos. It's down because of what is going on right here. Basically, we're waiting on the kind of the next Federal Reserve interest rate. Yes, this does have an impact on Shiba Inu. This has an impact on crypto. So just bear with me because I got a lot to tell you about. So we basically are going to be getting the GDP report coming later this week. That's the gross domestic product report. So basically talking about the GDP. And then we're going to be getting the PCE report, which is the next, and that's coming later this week as well. That's the final inflation report we're going to get this month. And then we got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting that's going to happen on May 2nd/3rd. I realize that that's a lot of acronyms and a lot going on, but that is the reason that you see crypto is down right now, 0.1, because of the uncertainty around what these reports, the GDP, the PCE, and the FOMC meeting. It's kind of fun to say all those acronyms. All that added up, what's going to happen? And so that's creating a lot of uncertainty and doubt, and the market doesn't really know how to react. I haven't even looked at what the stock market's doing as of yet. So let me see real quickly. It's kind of really down/flat, if you will. Okay. We got there's big tech earnings coming out over on that side of the street. But back to crypto, you've got Bitcoin has raised up a little bit from its 27.3, but look, it's right there flashing to that 27,000 level and probably going to go below that because I think, again, we've got these outside factors that are coming into play. So to specifically look at SHIB and kind of what's going on with Shiba Inu, it is doing something very similar. It's down 1.8 on the 1.3 on the 24-hour, but look, Ethereum is very similar in that kind of percentage down. So that's kind of the latest of what's going on with SHIB. It's down 12% on the 7-day, but again, look, that's where Bitcoin and Ethereum and kind of everybody's down. XRP, Cardano, Dogecoin, they're all down, double digits, if you will. Now, for a piece of good news, Huobi is listing Bone. We've got that going on, as well as Satoshi, the lead developer, coming out right here in this tweet. You can see right here is that actually article coming out and talking about the fact that we're in go mode as it relates to Shibarium. So we're starting to kind of get some indicators that Shibarium is obviously getting a little bit closer. I still think we're in kind of that June, July, worst case August scenario for the Shibarium mainnet launch. Okay. But that's where we're at. So we got a lot of moving parts. We got kind of the overall kind of broader market crypto stuff. We're waiting on the GDP report, the gross domestic product report. We're waiting on the PCE report. We got the Federal Reserve FOMC meeting happening next week. All of those things are creating uncertainty. That's why crypto is not moving up. That's why it's down a percentage point. You're going to see that type of volatility leading up to these events. Now, if we get a good PCE report, inflation report, it comes in a little bit lighter than expected or shows that inflation is cooling, we might see crypto flash green and go back and start painting some green candlesticks, kind of overall broader strokes. You might see SHIB start to move up a little bit. That's probably the only positive thing we might have happen in the next week or so until we roll into the FOMC meeting. And what we're expecting there is a 25 basis points raise from those guys. Okay. So that's what I have for you right here, right now. Thank you. For giving me your support. I'll see you. Take care.